Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki ZX-10R. So this one is a 2017 on a 17 plate, done 12,799 miles from new, and it is a lovely bike, and it is one that we have previously sold a few years ago. So this is the 2016 model, so obviously 2017, so you get a totally different bike to the previous one. You get a quick shifter as standard, you get the big piston Showa manual adjustable suspension, get the Brembo monobloc brakes, and it is a lovely bike. Love the back end on these, I think it looks ace. So extras wise, it's got the Akrapovic exhaust and it's got the Akrapovic titanium decat pipe. We have given the bike an ECU remap as well, so I think at the rear wheel it's roughly around about 185 brake horsepower now. It's got tail tidy, it's got the seat cowl, Lightech chain adjusters, it's got a Gilles rear axle nut, R&G paddock stand bobbins, it's got the Jonathan Rea decal kit on there. As you can see, whilst you're up here, you get the all-in steering damper, you get your different power modes, your adjustable traction control, your adjustable engine braking, you get ABS as well. But they're a wicked piece of kit. I've had one of these for a very short period of time and I loved it. I thought it was a really good bike. It's a really big bike as well, looks fantastic. Anyway, if you do want it, be quick, get yourself out of Jordan Bikes or simply give us a call. Thank you for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.